It is Donald B, and I want to say how y'all doing. $10,000 a month creating ebooks using ChatGPT. What you know about GPT? As you all know, I always tell you guys to like, subscribe, and hit the comments. Let me know what you think about ChatGPT. Is it good? Is it bad? Is it scary? Is it amazing? I don't know. Let me know your thoughts on it. Because I'm telling you, in my mind, it's amazing if you take advantage of the reasons for it. First thing you need to do when it comes to creating an ebook is you need to understand the market. Understand who you're looking for, who you're trying to reach, what is it you're trying to accomplish with your ebook. It's important to understand your target market. Just know the research, know what you're looking for so that people can actually respond or reach out to your book. If you want them to purchase your book, then you need to understand what you're putting out there. You can't just put out random information. You can use tools like Google Trends, or you can actually look up keyword research of things that you're actually trying to put out there. Anything like popular topics, anything that people want to see, people have questions about. That's very important. You must be able to do that. If you can't do that, then your book is pointless. So now that you have a good understanding of your target market, it is time to start creating your ebook. The ebook that you want people to see, people to buy, you just want them to be able to provide them information. You like how I said that right? Information. See, here's the best part about the ChatGPT. You can actually create high quality content for your ebook. You can put information like name the top 3 favorite places that people like to travel. Or what's the best country out there to visit? Or anything with travel, the best place. What's the top 3 cars that's selling on the market at this time? Or if you're doing it for like an ebook, give me the 10 best recipes out there. Now imagine that. You creating an ebook with a bunch of recipes. Hey, I just gave you a gold mine right there. So if you want to create recipes and sell as an ebook, bruh. It's a great idea. You should be able to try that. Just test it out. You'll be surprised what you can get from that. What else is out there? What other things can I give you? I'm not even gonna do that. But I'm saying recipes. Just selling recipes. Like if you're a cook out there, you know about cooking, man, bruh. Now, when you create this ebook, you want to make sure it's visually appealing. Like people want it. People enjoy it. You want to be able to actually provide the greatest colors on there. I don't have any colors, but just make sure people notice it. It doesn't want to be a bland, boring book. The thing I love to use is Canva. Canva.com. I don't have any affiliates with it, so don't worry about it. As of right now, I'm not doing any kind of selling for it. But Canva is a great free tool you can use. You can actually buy the pro version. Everything has a pro version, but I use the free version. I've had the free version for about 4 years now, and it works wonders for me. You can even use an Adobe Design. I have Adobe Design. InDesign. I don't use it, but I do have it. I use Adobe for a lot of different tools, but that's something you have to purchase for, of course. But Canva handles everything. Like I said, I don't use InDesign, so I use Canva for mostly everything that I do. By using Canva, it can look very professional. You don't have to worry about knowing how to draw, graphics, anything like that. If you can make things look good, then I promise you, use Canva and you're set. Now, the part that you got to do so you can get your books out there is it's time to market it. How can you get it out there? What platforms can you use to make sure people are seeing this nice ebook, which is basically a PDF? There's a couple you can use, which is like Amazon Kindle Direct and Publishing, or use Gumroll to sell your ebooks. There's an OWL one out there. I'll put the title down there below. I forgot the name of it. Something OWL. But that's another one you can use. It's free as well. But test those things out, and that's definitely going to help you out. Of course, you can put it on any website that you have, any website you're selling your information. Put it on there as well. Put it out there. Create the link. Put the links out there so people have access to it. And I'll put my link of my ebook in my videos as well too. I will, but I'm not going to do it for this video. For right now, this video is just trying to teach you guys how to create, or the fact that you can use ebooks to make like $10,000 a month. You can, because imagine if you have the right target market, you're gonna do it. So that's really the basics of what you need. You can use ChatGPT to help you create content that you'll need. I'm telling you, put any information into that field, and it's going to give you information that you never thought of. It's a great way of doing research, and it's going to provide information. And I always say tweak it the way you want it for your own particular platform. I wouldn't copy it word for word. Don't do that. As of right now, there's no plagiarism with it. I don't believe there is, because it's creating new content like all the time. It's not published or anything. So, but I say, they're gonna find ways. I say find ways to create it in your own word. You can have them pull up information, then tweak it towards you. Tweak it to make it sound like it is you saying this, okay? This is definitely another great way to making $10K a month. If you want to take advantage of this opportunity, go for it and do it. I'm telling you, it's going to make your life easier. It's going to take a lot of the work away from you. The ChatGPT will do probably 80% of the work. All you got to do is, like I said, go in, kind of reword it in your own terms and your own words so that people have understanding that it's actually coming from you and it makes sense. But this is a great way. Take advantage of it while it's here, because right now it's free. ChatGPT is free right now because it's on a part of a learning curve. I don't know if they'll ever change it, or how I said, there's always a pro version of something. But as of right now, go for it. Take advantage of it while you can, and let me know how it goes. As I always say, it's not deuces, it's deuces.